All right, we're out here at, what is it, John C. Camp Landing.
23.
Lake Marion, South Carolina. It's cold, 40-something degrees.
Where you at? 25.
We're number 45, fixing to take off.
25, 230.
We're getting ready to get lines in the water. We just came right around the corner. What's the name of this creek?
Tawkaw Creek.
Tawkaw?
Yep.
All right, it's 9 o'clock. We're in the first hour. We ain't got a bite yet. Around on the main lake, I think. About 8 feet of water. We're going to fish around this little island here. See if we can get the trolling motor down. There you go. All right, it's 11:30. We're in the third, fourth hour now. We're still skunked. We came back to the docks to fish. We went out to the main lake, didn't do anything. Got a lot of duck hunters out there. It's 12:30. We're still picking at them. Trying to. Ain't got a bite yet. Tommy's working that free Bassmaster lure. His $100 membership. It's 2 o'clock, we're struggling. We're not going to give up though. I don't think anyone's catching anything. You never know, we'll get back and somebody will have some big fish.
Exactly right.
All right, so this is our third trip where we got skunked. I don't know what's going on. No fish. Ridiculous.
We have to figure out what's going on. There's something going on and it's bad. There's a problem. There's something wrong. Something's going on. We've got to figure out what's going on. Bomb, 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 bomb.